In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your first ad in the Meta Business Suite. Whether you're new to digital marketing or just looking to sharpen your skills, this step-by-step guide will get you started on crafting impactful advertisements within the Meta Business Suite platform. To begin, navigate to the Meta Business Suite homepage. This is your command center for all things related to your business's social media presence on platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Once you're there, keep an eye out for the Plus Create Ad option. This is what you'll click to start setting up your advertisement. The next thing you'll do is choose an ad goal. Setting a clear goal is crucial because it determines what you want to achieve with your ad. For instance, if you're interested in gathering customer data or generating potential sales contacts, you might select the Get Leads option. Think about what is most valuable for your business and make your choice accordingly. With your goal in place, the next step is to create a contact form. This form is a key element because it serves as the touch point for potential leads. Be sure to design it with user-friendliness in mind. You want the form to be straightforward to fill out, but comprehensive enough to gather the information you need. Next, it's time to add media to your ad. Choose images or videos that resonate with your target audience and reflect your brand's personality. Remember, visuals are often the first thing people notice in an ad, so make sure they're eye-catching and high quality. Along with your media, you'll need to include text that complements the visuals and communicates your message clearly. A strong call to action button should accompany this text, encouraging your audience to take that next step, whether it's filling out the contact form, visiting your website, or anything else relevant to your goal. Once your ad is visually and textually ready, it's time to define your audience. The Meta Business Suite offers sophisticated audience targeting tools, enabling you to customize who will see your ad based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and more. Consider who your ideal customer is and tweak these settings to reach them effectively. After you've defined your audience, setting your budget is the next critical task. Determine how much you're willing to spend on your ad campaign and decide whether you want a daily budget or lifetime budget for your ad spend. This will help Meta Business Suite decide how and when to show your ad. Now, you'll select where you want your ad to be placed. Meta Business Suite gives you numerous placement options, including Facebook Newsfeed, Instagram Stories, and the Audience Network. Let the platform automatically place the ads for you, or manually choose placements that align with your audience's preferences and your ad's goals. Finally, with everything set up, it's time to publish your ad. Take one last look, ensuring every aspect aligns with your initial goal and that all elements are in place. When you feel confident in what you've put together, hit that publish button and watch your campaign go live. Once launched, continually monitor its performance and make adjustments as needed. Through these steps, you'll be engaging new leads and boosting your business's reach in no time. Good luck with your first ad, and happy advertising.